Hi, I'm Susie from SJ Sports Therapy, and I've got Becky with me from Strength and Motion, and we're just going to be going through some thoracic rollering with the foam roller. And this can be quite an intense exercise, so it's really important to do it correctly. So Becky is lying in the correct position with the foam roller under her thoracic spine. I'm going to get her to place her hands behind her head and clasp them together. This is really important because you want to take the weight of your head and your arms. So if you just bring your elbows together and really use your arms and your lats to take the weight of your head, okay? From here, you can lift your bottom up slightly and just gently roll backwards into your thoracic spine, okay? And just do a few of these to warm up to begin with because it can be quite intense, okay? And when Becky feels like she's warmed up quite nicely, we can get her to roll into the middle of her spine and gently try and lower her shoulders towards the floor, and then gently try and put her hips down. So hips down towards the floor, that's lovely. And we're trying as best as we can to just open up that lower and middle back